After several days of intensive training across the Philippine archipelago, Philippine and U.S. forces continue to advance through the 2025 iteration of their annual Multilateral Maritime Event, or the MME, a crucial component of the ongoing Balikatan exercises, recorded as the most complex in the history of the drills. This year's activity reflects the evolving and increasingly sophisticated nature of global security challenges. PTV's J.M. Pineda tells us more.
Earlier today, the Philippine Navy began a casualty evacuation simulation, which is part of the Multilateral Maritime Exercises of Balikatan 2025. During the exercise, they carefully placed the patient on a stretcher and conducted a medical check before loading the patient into a helicopter. They also ensured that the safety straps were properly secured to guarantee the patient's safety. The patient was then airlifted to a treatment facility for medical attention. This is one of the scenarios which was carried out by the Philippine Navy personnel of the BRP Ramon Alcaraz, which could be useful in situations when soldiers need to transport an injured person to a hospital.
Gamit ang ating helicopter, Philippine Navy helicopter EW-109. Nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang senaryo sa exercise na ito. Una ay ang pag-transfer natin ng isang non-ambulatory patient, which is ito yung pasyente na hindi kayang maglakad na kinakailangang ilagay sa isang stretcher. Pangalawang senaryo ay yung pag-transfer natin ng ambulatory patient, which is ito yung may kakayahang maglakad at hindi na kinakailangan na isakay sa isang stretcher.
Commander Quesada also emphasized that treating patients aboard the ship is among the most challenging conditions, so it is essential for soldiers to know what to do in such situations.
Mabigyan ng karampatan at kagad na lunas sa mga pasyente na dito sa barko para madala kaagad ito sa ating treatment facility sa kalupaan.
Cruzada also clarified that these exercises is not a preparation for any attack, but simply part of their training. He added also that the exercise could be applied to various crisis situations.
Pagdating po sa humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, ito po ay napaka-importante. Kagaya nga po ng sabi ko, for example po, kami po ay nagkaroon ng rescue and assistance sa isang mangingisda na natagpuan namin sa dagat. Pwede namin po itong transfer from our ship to the nearest treatment facility.
The Philippine Navy also reiterated that they remain focused on their mission to strengthen their forces despite the presence of Chinese PLA Navy ships during the Balikatan exercises. The safety of all participants in the MME of Balikatan is also the top priority for the Philippine Navy. That's why they continued to monitor the movements of Chinese vessels closely during the exercises. From PTV Manila, J.M. Pineda, Balitang Pambansa.